Hey all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel Cerebral Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show uh, how to read if there are multiple CSV files and we want to read it using PySpark. So, what I've done, I've taken a sample dataset agent and broke it into three parts. So when we have a look at it, you can see these are the data with no header inside it. Okay, so now let's read it. First, I've already uploaded to data folder. Inside file store, inside table, inside we have agents, and inside which our CSV files resides. Okay, now these have imported all the necessary field types and defined the schema structure of my file by providing the column name and the data type of each column. False true means the uh, the agent code will not contain any null column, and null row, null data, or and with true means that a column agent name might contain null value. Okay, now let's read it using Spark. So here you can see I've passed till the folder level. I have not specified the file name agent1.csv. So when I will read like this, it will only read the agent1.csv, but uh, file does not exist. Why so? Agent1.csv. Let's check why it's not there. It should be there. Okay, let me copy the path from here only. Oh, it's underscore. Okay, here you can see only three records are present. Okay, but if I specify only the folder, it will iteratively read all the files with the same structure. If the structure of the file is different, okay, this read command will fail. You can see here all the rows ranging from A001 to A012 is being present here. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.